Hi.
You know the recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Beautiful.
Thank you.
I got them all wet, shaking what they mama gave.
Hey guys. So it's like 5 o'clock now. Well, almost 6 actually. Like, I don't know why I was being so lazy. Like, I didn't even feel like getting dressed. I was like, you know what? I was talking to my mom just a minute ago. I was like, I'm not even gonna put makeup on. I'm just gonna run, get something to eat, you know, party, play a machine. And then she was like, actually, it's your last day. You know, you put, she said, at least put a little makeup on. And I'm like, you know what? She's right. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on and get all this funk. I don't know what it was. Like, literally, this morning I went out. I haven't eaten since like what, 10 o'clock this morning. So I went out just early this morning, got coffee and all that, and then I played a few tables. But anyway, so basically I had plans today, and I didn't just feel like doing anything. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna, I think I should just put on, just lashes and foundation. You know, even though I have to wear a mask. I think that's gonna be it. Oh, okay. I need some more light in here, huh? Okay, I thought that was a light. Okay. Hey guys, so I just finally got dressed. I'm gonna piss, yeah. You guys gonna see me. So, I'll put some lashes on. Let me do that now. Put some lashes on, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. And then I wanna show you guys I've been drinking, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put these lashes on. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and then we're gonna find something to eat. I want something, like something cheap. Hold up. These are the magnetic lashes. Make sure these are perfect. So, I don't know. I don't want to eat, like, I don't want to go to like okay. So, in Flamingo, they have a food court. So, I was going to get them from there, and then we figured out what we're going to do from there. This is my last night in Vegas. And in Vegas is like, it's technically kind of shut down. A lot of places are not open. Like the pools here are not open. Only the pool open. And like somebody told me that in downtown, the blue something. Anyway, they have a their pool is open. But yeah, so basically out here only certain places are open. Only one hookah lounge that I know of is open. I didn't want to go, but I did. Okay, I wanted hookah, I did, but that one's like more so for a group of people. And like, I'm like, okay. I wanted a bar that just had like offer hookah. That's what I wanted, but nothing's open like that. So basically, all you can do is go to eat and gamble. If you go into Vegas, that's all you can do: eat and gamble. Okay, so we're gonna take these pictures. Alright, trying to figure out what kind of shoes I'm gonna put on. Alright. Oh, it's been so many people walking by, so I'm trying to hurry up. And I don't have a mask on, so. Alright guys, so it's getting busy. I got so many interruptions. I was trying to do like an intro, outro, and show you guys my outfit, and then yeah. So let's go back to the room, and then we're gonna find something to eat because I'm getting hungry, and I wanted a cocktail. So I feel like my outfit's cute. All right, so I still don't know what I want to eat. I know it's cold outside though. Are we back in the room safe? Back to my room and change for some leggings or something. It is cold, guys. Okay, it's good. It's good. It look a little burnt the fries, but alright, so I'm vlogging on my phone, so it might be a little shaky, but and also I don't even know what time it is. It gotta be like around 7 o'clock. People staring at me. Okay, I guess we can walk around. My male friend supposed to meet me tonight. After he's done with his obligations, supposed to come hang out with me. So if he doesn't, I'll be okay with it too. Oh my god, don't throw him here. I got a bump right there. Okay. I guess I'm gonna walk around here. Since I'm already I'm at Flamingo. So Giant Rockets is at Flamingo. And Flamingo's like, is it in the middle? Is this considered the middle of the strip? Okay, let me clean up my area. And we're gonna walk around. I'm trying to sneak and record because you can't record inside of a casino. So I'm gonna sneak and try and do it. Alright, let's go, guys. So this is my last, well actually I'm about to leave. I'm about to check out in 10 minutes. This is the view. I love this view. I'm so happy that they gave me this room. Well, actually I requested it, but I'm gonna miss Vegas, but I'm gonna be back for they're having an event. If you guys don't know, every year around like April, is that Easter, I guess, they do this event out here in Vegas. So that's why everybody say like I'm always in Vegas, is because I go with them to the event, but I turn up. I don't do the events, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna be back. Hopefully I get this nice room again. So let's see, hold on. Okay, oh, this is lighting. Hold on, let me find a light. Okay, so oh, there you go. So I just threw on this shirt with these leggings. All my stuff is on the bed. All I do is just like throw it all together. So yeah, I'm about to leave. I wish I could stay. Oh, let me back up. Sorry. I wish I could stay another night. I have fun though. Ooh, my hand's starting to hurt. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. Well, I probably should vlog actually. All right, so let's go. I need to order an Uber. The airport's not that far, and I'm getting hungry. I need to grab some coffee. Oh, I probably should tell you guys. Okay, last night I should have vlogged it. I did not. Last night when I was at the downstairs at the casino, I got into a argument with another guy. You know, this story is gonna take too long, so when I'm at the airport, I'm gonna explain to you guys what happened, because I still can't believe what happened. So I was just checking my emails right now, so let me stop that because literally I have like 8 minutes to leave. Hopefully on the airplane I can edit, because I have so much content, guys. I have so much stuff to do. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Well, that was the intent though. So let me just prop you up here. Hold on. And it seemed like all the guys out here, when they found out I was by myself, they wanted to know like what I do for a living. Everybody think I'm making money. I think that's crazy. Make sure I got my IDs, all my junk. I'm actually ready to go to the airport. I'm getting tired of seeing these people. Okay. What else? What else? Get my phone. It's 100%. All right, I think we're ready to go. Hold on. Oh, I need to change this battery. All right, hold up. All right, let's go, guys. Bye, Vegas. I have fun.
Ciabatta bread. We have ciabatta bread. Chicken panini or ciabatta bread we have.
This, you come from this bread. That's white or
White.
Ooh, we got some cheese. So I just got done with TSA. I'm trying to find something to eat. They have they only pay debit. Okay, anyway, I wanna, sorry, and my phone's right here. I want some coffee. Hopefully I got coffee and a bagel. So that's what I'm gonna get. Small.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What's your order now?
I just want a plain bagel.
Anything on it?
Shit. Let's say 6. No, 7 to 7.
7, 7?
Yeah.
821.
Ham and Swiss.
Thank you.
So Vanessa, number 2 before you come up the board with me.
What you was saying for?
Right now, I'm still on the floor editing a vlog with this nasty coffee and waiting for my flight. So anyway, I'm about to end the vlog here. I'm not gonna do anything more interesting. I'm just going to finish editing a little bit. I left my my earphones, so I can't really edit to the fullest. But anyway, so I'm just gonna edit and board my flight. I'm like 2 hours early, and then I'm just gonna see you guys back in LA. And yeah, all right, bye guys.